Creating a LinkedIn account on the mobile app is a straightforward process. So here is a step-by-step guide to get started. So firstly, download the LinkedIn app by going to the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Once installed, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you want to sign in, then you can simply tap on the continue option available there and sign in with your LinkedIn browser. But if you want to create an account, then simply go back and tap on the agree and join option available there. Now once you tap on the agree and join, you will have to enter your first name and last name. Simply type down your first name and last name and tap on the continue option available there. Now provide a valid email address. Then tap on the continue option available again. Now here you'll have to choose a strong password for a LinkedIn account, minimum 6 characters. Once done, tap on the continue after entering the details. Now simply continue with the process. Now here, if you are a student, then simply tap on the yes I am a student option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll have to enter your college start year and end year. If not, then toggle that off and enter your previous job title or ongoing job title. Then enter the company you work for. Then simply tap on the next option available there. Now here you'll be navigated to upload a clear and professional photo. You can skip it if you don't want to. Now all you have to do is enter the verification code sent to your email address. You can go to the Gmail of your entered email address and you can see LinkedIn has sent you a code. Simply type down on the verification option available there, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.